mini haul with me. Let's go. So first I got this bag, and I'm just gonna open it because I put stuff in it already. So I got this this kit. It was clear and it didn't so I had scent, and I also put what is it called again? And I also put clear. So yeah, and then I bought this shopping cart, and I also bought this. I did not buy this yesterday, but I bought this 1 week ago. I'm still showing you. Wait, what's it on? I put it on my nose. I don't know where I'm putting it on my nose. Well, I put a little on this one. Now, and I also got this yesterday. I also bought this yesterday in the morning. Yeah, I'm just putting it on so you can see how much I got it. You guys are going to see which one is better. The Santiago one or this one? This is the bottom. The D-Ho. Actually, what's that? Richard D-Ho. Here. I'm like informing. That's why they make like that brand. So weird, guys. This one is so watery. Let's try to wait, I put it wrong. And I got these brushes, but I have worried about they just did things. Okay, now, but come in the next part. Like, it's still short. Okay, guys, this is the next part. We're gonna stuff my bag with the stuff I got. So, I'm gonna start with the D-Ho. And it turns like that, so it doesn't fall. Then my face again. Like a dog. Look, it's like the legs are like that, and it's like because it's a wiener dog. Okay, like my aunt cut my nails. She was like, I'm not gonna make her straight, and then she was ready to. I can literally feel. She had like these tiny scissors for the nails, but like, that one hurt so bad. Bro, like this. No, stay up. I should just do like this. No. It's like the girl that's one more time that was the face here. No, stop. Can we just put nails now? So they don't fall. Bro, my D-Ho is up here. Yeah. We're not there, so. Okay, here's the inside. Now, the outside, like, in the. I have to find something. Just need to find something to put in this pocket. This isn't enough. Oh, wait, I just need a box. Oh, yeah, I found this. For my but I'm just gonna put it on my phone. No. I'm just going to put it on my phone. I'm just gonna put it on my phone. And I put these charms in there. They do, but I can't wait to take them off. Like, I'm gonna take it from above. Here, this says love. And this is heart. I'm just put the love back. The love back with the heart. You get it? I don't think I get it. Okay, I'm just gonna keep this. I'm gonna show you guys today. This is a secret. And this one here, this one, and this one. It's just these two I don't like that much. I'll just try this one. This is my least for I like mine the most. But I also like Roxy Crystal Candy. And I don't know, like Amber Cinnamon. Picking Boba, Mystery Twins, Gemma, Mysterious, Susie, Sour Straw. Oh, Susie Sour Straw, I like this one. Yeah, he's so cute. Look, he's so cute. Look, this one's my favorite. And I like this one. Mia Candy Floss. Kurt Candy. Look, but there's still a lot of space in here, so I put one more thing. Oh yeah, I found the hog. I also bought this yesterday. But now, 6 points. I just want money. Yesterday I had 207. No, 300. But there's a. Again, wallet. Is it cute? I just find something for this. I was gonna put these eye masks, but they're too big. Look, actually, look. They're like too big for it. I can't find anything more, so I'm just gonna end this video with my cheese machine. That's just one. Oh, look how it looks like. I'm gonna put stuff here, and I'm gonna play this. This is literally so good. Bye.